Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. This video is about what is electrotechnical officer on ship. So guys, जहाँ पर एक तरफ इंजन साइड के अंदर you have a fourth engineer, third engineer, second year taking care of big machineries like main engine, generators, compressors. But वहाँ पर there are a lot of electronic equipments, electrical equipments, lot of automation where you need electrical officer on board ship. So ये electrical officer on board ship इनकी salary though initially they start as a trainee ETO, then they clear an exam called ETO COC, then they join ship and slowly they start earning good as per experience. On an average, a ETO on board ship gets a salary between $4,000 to $6,000 per month, which is between around 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs per month as per the dollar rate today, which is 80 rupees approximately. अब along with that यही ETOs अगर LNG पे चले जाए तो देयर सैलरी कैन गो अप टू $10,000 पर मंथ, इवन $12,000 पर मंथ. LNG कैरियर्स लेकिन दुनिया में बहुत कम है. अलॉन्ग विद दैट अगर यही ETOs फिर आगे क्रूज शिप से चले जाए वहाँ पर भी देयर सैलरी इंक्रीजेस. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जैसे कि एक मरीन इंजीनियर शिप पे जाता है तो ही बिकम्स अ फोर्थ एंड थर्ड, एक सेकेंड और चिफ. बट इन ETO केस अगर आप इलेक्ट्रिको टेक्निकल ऑफिसर हो तो यू बिकम इलेक्ट्रिको टेक्निकल ऑफिसर. देर इज नो अदर रैंक. सो दी ओनली चैलेंज इज दैट यू आर स्टैग्नेंट आउट हेयर. सो इसी के लिए क्या होता है, बहुत सारे ETO ऑफिसर्स कई बार कहते रहे सर मैं वापस इंजीनियर बनना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि मैं चीफ एयर बनना चाहता हूँ. रादर आई सजेस्ट देम कि अगर आप स्टैग्नेंट हो गए तो ट्राई टू चेंज योर टाइप ऑफ शिप. अगर आप कंटेनर पे हो तो टैंकर पे जाइए, नए चैलेंजेस लीजिए और वहाँ से फिर गैस कैरियर पे शिफ्ट हुई है, क्रूज पे जाइए, सो दैट योर सैलरी इंक्रीजेस. बट इलेक्ट्रिकल का साथ मत छोड़िए और श्योर जॉब पे भी बहुत सारी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलेंगी आपको. सो नाउ हैविंग सेड दैट आफ्टर टेलिंग अबाउट ETO, लेट मी टेल यू कि कौन कौन लोग ETO बन सकते हैं. सो इफ़ यू हैव डन योर BTech इन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड टेलीकम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन, or any equivalent stream with 50% marks in your final degree, along with that 55% in 12th in PCM and 50% in English in 10th or 12th, and your age is less than 30 for a general candidate, and for SC ST category it changes, then you can become a ETO on ship. But the only thing is this is the bare minimum eligibility. Different companies and colleges have different eligibilities. जैसे कि सपोज यू वांट टू नो विच ऑल कंपनीज एंड कॉलेजेस यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर, गो टू मर्चेंट नेवी डिकोडेड वेबसाइट, go to calculator section. On the left hand side you will find a section of eligibility calculator for GME, ETO, IMUCT. Click on that, then click on ETO section and fill all your details whether you're diploma or BTech, and you will automatically see which all companies you are eligible for. तो लिस्ट बना लो उसकी. Then again go to this section, again go to merchant navy decoded website, back करो, go to career section, go to start as a beginner, and then go down below you will see a college portal section. Over there click on ETO and you will see the colleges recommended by us, the few colleges that are recommended presently by us, and it keeps changing as and when we get different updates. Are Anglo-Indian Maritime Academy and their fees is 3,90,000. Tulani Maritime Institute, their fees is 4,06,000. Seven Islands, their fees is 3,98,000, and other shipping companies come over there. MSc, they send to IMI Noida, their fees is 2,92,000. Now these are the few companies and colleges that you are eligible for. If you have done diploma in electrical electronics and you have got more than 60%, then also a few companies like Maersk and SCI, you can give their exams as well, and they have been selecting in the past as well. Now the question is, you have seen which you are eligible for, and you have also seen कि भैया मैं इसके लिए एलिजिबल हूँ. इज दिस अ रिकमेंडेड कॉलेज बाय मर्चेंट डिकोडेड? यस. नाउ यू हैव टू स्टार्ट प्रिपेयरिंग. So from where to prepare? We have also prepared a ETO aspirant excellence package. इसमें वो हर चीज़ है which you need to know, which you need to learn, so that you clear these good colleges and companies online test, their interview and their medical as well. So if you are really interested in joining as a ETO, buy this package, move ahead. If you still have got questions and you want to know more about ETO, go to Merchant Navy Decoded section, go to start as beginner, go to this course we can see over here, which is after electrical engineering. Check all the videos, write down notes. I assure you, you will not make a single mistake in your career if you follow the advices that we are giving you. Still, if you have got any query, you can always WhatsApp at the number given below, that is our Merchant Navy Decoded number. We are there to help you. So check eligibility calculator, check college portal, buy this ETO aspirant excellence package if you are really interested. All the links are given below. जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता।